Alright, so for anyone that's planning to invite me over for Christmas dinner, I have my menu list right here. I'm going to read it out to you so that you can know from before. Alright, so for breakfast, I need ackee and saltfish to one side, callaloo to one side, boiled banana, fried breadfruit, and fried dumpling in the middle. Then I'll have a fruit dish with 2 orange cut equally in half. I don't like when it top small and the bottom big, so I need it equal. After that, I'll go on the road and allow you some space and time to get ready and start cooking for dinner. And for dinner now, I need curry goat, and make sure the Irish no mash out. You understand? I like to see the Irish in the curry goat, yeah. I also need 1 fried chicken thigh, 1 slice of escovitch fish, whole escovitch. Alright, I'm not a big fan of ham, so you can leave the ham off of the menu autocomplete. We don't need the ham, right? I need raw shredded vegetables with a tubs of vinegar and potato salad with the egg in it. Alright. I also need a serving of 3 for everything because I'm going to be coming with my cover dishes, so I need some to take home for like the next day and the next day. Alright. Later on now, I need a thin slice of Christmas cake and a small glass of sorrel, not too sweet and not too much ginger. Alright. Thanks in advance.